Good morning. My name is Evelyn Rodriguez. I am 27 years old. I am from Bogota, Colombia, and I live there too. I am in the relationship. I work in call subsidio, and I am the experiences counselor. I am studying business administration at the UNAD University. My favorite hobby is singing. I usually sing all the time. I also can cook, and I am really good at it. I mostly to dessert recipes because I love sweet food. I live in Bogota, the capital city of Colombia. Today I am going to talk about this awesome place. Bogota is one of the third highest capital in the world. It is characterized by its mild weather and also is paramount. This contributes to have a cool weather mostly. Even if Bogota city is not considered as a tourist place, there are a lot of interesting things to do like visit museums, go to Monserrate, La Candelaria, and you can go to the teams near and camping other lakes. The typical food here is ajiaco. It's delicious chicken soup accompanied with rice and avocado. There is the best breed of the country, at least the best breed for me. Thank you.